See, arithmetic progression, the new chapter we are going to learn today. This is, before we know the arithmetic progression, we have to know about a sequence. There is a relation between two consecutive terms you can write. Between two consecutive terms. Suppose SN I wrote here, sequence, that is 2, 4, 6, 8 like this. So I find a relation here is it is increased by 2. So the relation is each term, the next term is 2 more than the first term, previous term. Next term is 2 more than the previous term. Next term is 2 more than the previous. If that difference here you find same, means they are in a particular series. Similarly, if I come back here, 8 by 16, 4 by 8, 2 by 4, you are finding the ratio is same. This is also a sequence. Okay, now what is then arithmetic progression? So before arithmetic progression, you should know here, in series Tn at the last term. Tn is nth term. I am taken in a series. Tn is nth term. Suppose I write T1. T1 means first term. T2 second term like this. T3, T4, T5 like this. So they are the terms in the series. Now if I get find the first 3 terms of the series where Tn equals to 2n plus 1. That means a relation is given. From here you will find out its first, second, third. Look at here. Suppose Tn is 2n plus 1. Then what is T1? First term. Now 2 into n is 1 plus 1. That is 2 plus 1, 3. T2, second term. What will be the second term here? Now 2 into 2 plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5. T3, 2 into 3 plus 1. 6 plus 1, 7. So like this. So you can try. I am giving one homework. This is 4n minus 1. Then you will go on finding the first 3 terms. Okay, now when a sequence become arithmetic progression, the sequence, what I told, the relation could be various types. Relation like what I told you, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then you find the relation is increased by 2. Okay. Now if I write 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, then you find division is half. This is another kind of relation here. This is also a sequence. But when this sequence will become arithmetic progression, now the common difference between the two consecutive terms will be same. So this is not arithmetic progression, but this series is not AP, but this series is AP. So what you conclude here? The difference between two consecutive terms will be same, then that is called arithmetic progression. So we can write here the series is AP. The series is AP. AP means arithmetic progression. If the difference between two consecutive terms is same. See, you can see your example. First term is A. First term is A. Second term is A plus D. Third term is A plus 2D. Difference is same now. A plus 3D. Like this, A plus n minus 1 into D. This is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. This is nth term. So difference is same means you see here A plus D minus A. That is D. This is called CD. CD means common difference. Common difference. Again you subtract here A plus 2D minus A plus D. So you can see here this A is cancelled, 2D minus D is A. So when the difference becomes same, that is called arithmetic progression. So let me write few questions. We'll check whether it is arithmetic progression or not. Which of the following are in AP? First question, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Okay? Can I say? Better not to put bracket now. So you see B you have to find out common difference. That is 2 minus 1, that is 1. Again you have to find 3 minus 2, that is also 1. 4 minus 3, that is 1. If the common difference between two consecutive terms is same, we call this is AP. So the series is AP. But when you write a series, you have to give this symbol. This is the symbol for the sequence. So sorry, the sequence is AP. Sequence is AP. Let's take one more. Four, 6, 8, 10, 12 like this. Always you find a D here. D means 6 minus 4, 2, 8 minus 6, 2, 10 minus 8, 2, this is also AP. Got the point now? So this is AP series. AP here I am telling sequence now. Okay. Then what is called a series? What is called a series now? A P series, arithmetic progression series. When the terms of arithmetic progression are connected by plus sign, then it is a P series. Okay, so like look at here, when I told you A plus D, A plus 2D, a plus 3d like this when you write. This is a sequence. This is a sequence. But when you put a plus sign between them, then it becomes arithmetic series. The sequence connected by plus sign will be called as series. So series you will be studying. Now, if I come back to a question here, in the AP series, a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus n minus 1 into d. So first term we write t1. Sometimes we write a1 also, meaning is same. t1 first term a, t2 second term a plus d, t3 third term a plus 2d. Suppose somebody tells you to write fourth term. Look at the pattern. A plus 0d to a plus 1d, always one less. T3 a plus 2d, again one less. So T4 a plus 1 less means 3d. T5 1 less 4d. So similarly an will be 1 less a plus n minus tn, right? N minus 1 into d. This though you have to remember. Okay, so now let's start few questions. Question is, suppose find the next 3 terms of AP. Find the next 3 terms of AP. What is that AP given? Now it is given in 3, 5, 7 like this. Okay. So whenever a question on AP comes out, we have to understand here that we have to find out what is A, what is D. First, A is your first term, that is 3. D is difference 5 minus 3, that is 2. Once you get A and D, you can find the next. This is T1, first term, T2, T3. Next 3 term means you want to find T4, T5, T6. That is what you want to find out. Okay, so how to find T4? What will be formula? Now A plus 3D, 1 less, that means 3 plus 3 into 2, 6 plus 3, 9. T5, A plus 4D, 3 plus 4 into 2, 8 plus 3, 11. T5, T6, A plus 5D, 3 plus 5 into 2, 13. Okay, so next 3 terms you find out. Now I can write a question. Find the next 4 terms of AP. What is given to you? Let me start. Minus 2, 0, 2, 6, 4, 2, 3. Next 4 terms you will find out in this question. Got the point? Okay, now you may have a question other type. Find the 6th and nth term the AP. This is 0, half, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have asked you 6th and nth term. So what you will do here is, what you have to do is, 0 means your first term is 0, A is 0. What is D now? This minus this, half minus 0, that is half. Also 3 by 2 minus, sorry, this is, there is a mistake here, 1, this is 3 by 2, then 2 like this. Okay, 1 minus half is also half, 3 by 2 minus 1 is half, like this. So D became half. Now you want to find 6th term. 6th means T6. T6 will be what? 1 less A plus 5D. A is 0 plus 5 into half. So 0 is 0, 5 half means 5 half. 5 by 2. Okay, 5 by 2. Then comes up nth term. Nth term means Tn. How to write Tn? Now 1 less A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay? So A what will put? 0, n minus 1, half. D is half. So 0 is gone, half n minus half. Half n minus half. Okay? You can try a question there. That is 0, 5, 10, 15, 5th term and nth term. Okay now? So you may get also a question, complete the table. Next question is, complete the table. Table will be given you like this. Serial number. This is A, B, N, then N. Like this. Serial number means suppose 1. A is given 2, B is 1, N is suppose 6. And you want to find N dash. Serial number 2. Suppose this is not given, D is 4, this is 6, or this is 5, this is suppose 15. So you have to find A. Or you may have a question 3. That is, this is not given, so this is given 4, this is not given. This is given you 10, this is given you minus 2, this is given you 15. So with this we can have an idea how to find. Or you can take one more question, 4th term. This is 0, 1, this is suppose 15 or 14. Find this. So what you do here is, look, see, look at your first question. A is given you 2, B is given you 1, a number of terms 6, number of terms 6, A n means in place of n what will you write? 6, that means A6. What is the formula of A6? That will be A plus 5D. So that is 2 plus 5 into 1. That is 2 plus 5, that is 7. Clear? Come to the second one. Second one is A is not given. A is a question mark. D is 4, N is 5, N is 15. Okay, so I can write here what is N formula? A plus N minus 1 into D. That is the formula given to us. So AN means I will write 15. A is not given. N is 5 minus 1 into 4. So how much will you get? 15 equals to A plus 4 into, this is 4 into 4. So it implies 15 minus 16 equals to A. Therefore A equals to minus 1. Clear? Okay. Now see the next question. What is not given? Look at here. A is given. A is given you 4. D question mark. N is 5. Okay. And N is 15. Last term. N means last term. Last term is 15. So what shall I write here? You will write N equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. A plus N minus 1 into D. So N is 15. A equals to 4. N is 5 minus 1. D is not given. So what will you write? 15 equals to 4 plus 4D. First you bring this 4 this side. 15 minus 4 equals to 4D. So D 11 equals to 4D. D equals to 11 by 4. Clear? Okay. See the next one, how to find A from here. Last question. Fourth part, A equals to 0. D equals to 1. N is a question mark. N equals to 14. So let's write the formula of N. N means Tn. That is N equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Let's write what is N. N means 14 equals to A 0 plus N minus 1. D is 1. So you get 14 equals to 0. N minus 1 into 1 is N minus 1. So 14 plus 1 equals to N. Therefore N equals to 15. So like this, that is a question given in your textbook. Try to complete. I will take another pattern here. Find the missing term of AP. Next question is find the missing term of AP. So which are the AP given to us? Look at here. Minus 7 box. How many boxes? We have 4 boxes and 8. So what are the terms you will have here? So what are the values you will have here? A, you look at here. A equals to minus 7. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, this is sixth term. That means A6 equals to 8. Got the point? What is the formula of A6 now? A6 is A plus 5D equals to 8. Let me put minus 7 here. So 5D equals to 8 plus 7. 5D equals to 15. D equals to 15 by 5. 3. D equals to 3. So you got A, you got D. These two are very important for us. Now count the place. This is which place? Second place. Second place means A2. A2 formula, A2 or T2, same thing. A2 will be A plus D. Put the value minus 7 plus 3 equals to minus 4. Okay, now look here. Second next, A3, A plus 2D. So minus 7 plus 2 into D is what? 3. So minus 7 plus 6, that is minus 1. What is the next term? Second, third, this is fourth. The A4, A plus 3D minus 7 plus 3 into 3. Minus 7 plus 9, that is 2. Next is second, third, fourth, fifth. A5, A plus 4D. A plus 4D minus 7, 4 into D is what? D is 3. Minus 7 plus 12, that is 5. Okay, let's take one more pattern then. I'll take 2 half box 2 half, then box minus half. Means your first term is not given, your third term is not given. So what will you do? Let's see then what is given to us. You are given A1, A2, second place. A2 equals to 2 and half. A2 का formula A plus D equals to 5 by 2. This is equation number 1. Okay, second is given, third is not given. Fourth given, fourth means A4 equals to minus half. That is A plus 3D equals to minus half. Now what you do is first you have to solve these two. So let's solve here. What will solve? Now A plus D equals to 5 by 2. A plus 3D equals to minus half. Equalizing the coefficient, we have studied already. They are equal, minus, subtract. This minus will be plus, this is cancelled. D minus 3D is minus 2D. So this is 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So minus 2D equals to 2 LCM 5 plus 1. Minus 2D equals to 6 by 2, that is 3. So D equals to minus 3 by 2. Got the value of D or not? Now you can find A plus D equals to 5 by 2. Put the value of D. A plus A minus 3 by 2 equals to 5 by 2. So A equals to 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2. So how much? 5 plus 3 by 2. 8 by 2, that is 4. 8 by 2, that is 4. Okay, you got A and D. Now look at the place. You got A now. A you have got 4. Okay, we got A plus D, A plus 2D. What is A plus 2D now? Then you put A is how much? What is A? A is 4 plus 2 into minus 3 by 2. So 2 is LCM. So 3 by 2 cancelled here. That is 4 minus 3, that is 1. Okay now? Now I am giving few questions. You try. Find the missing terms. Suppose it is minus 5 dash 13. Minus 5 box 13. Second, suppose minus 1 dash dash 14. Minus 1 box 14. Third question, 3 box 10. 3 box 10. Okay, then you can have another question, 26 box minus 6. 26 box minus 6. Try to complete this. So tomorrow we will study new questions.